Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. Park, switch wipers off, and lift the wiper arm so you can reach the blade. Once done, locate the small release tab where the blade meets the arm. Press it firmly while you hold the blade steady. You will feel the connection disengage. Now slide the blade down away from the hook and unclasp it. Make sure the arm is supported so it doesn't slam back onto the windshield. That would cause chips or breakage. You next identify the adapter on the replacement blade and confirm it matches the arm type, hook, pin, or bayonet, so it seats correctly. Once aligned, slide the blade into the arm's connector. You should feel or hear a distinct click when the clip locks. After locking, lower the arm slowly to rest on the windshield to avoid impact. Then visually inspect the connection and run a quick manual swipe to ensure the blade sits flat and clears glass edges evenly. You finish by powering the wipers and observing performance at low and high speed. Watch for streaks, chatter, or skipping. If you see streaking, make sure the blade is fully seated, clean the windshield, or swap the rubber insert. Dirt and worn edges cause most problems. If the arm snaps back or the blade shifts, immediately turn off the wipers and recheck the clip engagement and arm tension. Inadvertent spring release can damage glass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.